Namaste. Myself Kalahamsa Dr. Krishna Sahiti, Kuchipudi dancer. On this occasion of Navaratri, I wish you all to have the blessings of Goddess Durga. These 9 days are very precious in life. Last year, on this Navaratri, I have choreographed and presented Navadurga series in dance for the very first time. Now I am going to present a very unique concept which hasn't been done in any dance form. I am presenting for the very first time Srishti Rahasya, the dark series of Dasmahavidyas. This knowledge of Dasmahavidyas is beyond everything in this universe. There is nothing more powerful and more precious than this. The whole universe is embedded in these 10 forms, which means ultimate forms of knowledge. It is all about most powerful goddess and ruler of Tantrika Vidya. It is the peaks of knowledge in Shaktism. So without any knowledge, we should not perform these prayers. My goal is to bring more of Shaktism in dance, as Adi Shakti is the source of this whole universe. She is the one who has created all these dance forms. Firstly, I am very happy to see many dancers initiating Navadurga series on this Navaratri. This brings out the awareness and significance of women empowerment. So, I welcome you all in this journey to the ultimate divine. In this journey, you will know how the universe has been created by Shri Mahakali in 10 different forms. Thank you.
सिंहारूढां त्रिनेत्रां करतलविलसत् शङ्खचक्रासिरम्यां भक्ताभीष्टप्रदात्रीं रिपुमथनकरीं सर्वलोकैकवन्द्यां सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां शशियुतमुकुटां श्यामलाङ्गीं कृशाङ्गीं दुर्गां देवीं प्रपद्ये शरणमहमशेषापदुन्मूलनाय
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु या देवी सर्वभूतेषु या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः शक्तिरूपे संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो
Namaste. First day of our journey starts with Devi Shri Mahakali. In this Navaratri, we are going to see the 10 different forms of her. Firstly, Kal Chakra means time. The one who created and rules the time, that is Kalki Adhishtatri, is Devi Shri Mahakali. Time is beyond everything. In the same way, Devi Shri Mahakali is beyond everything and everyone. She herself is all the forms. She is Param Brahma, Para Shakti. She is the divine feminine form of Om. There is no birth and death to her. As per the necessity for the creation of universe, she took these 10 forms. She has created Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh through dance. The existence of water in this whole universe is drop of sweat from her body while dancing, and the existence of land is from Madhukaitap's body. Namaste. The second form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Tara. Firstly, Tara means Jagat ko tarne wali, which means she is the one who can clear all the hurdles from this universe. Devi Shri Mahakali took this form to create energy, light, and to clear all the darkness from this universe. She is the Kushmanda in sun. Sun is created through group of volcano balls from her to give Ushmata, Prakash to all the livings. From then we have day and night and seasons in our lives. Namaste. The third form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Shodasi. She is described as the most beautiful goddess among the Trilokas. After the creation of sun in the form of Tara, Devi Shri Mahakali observed it was very hot that even universe could turn into ashes. So she took third form as Shodasi to control and bring down the heat in the universe by planting and watering the sugarcane on earth. With the help of sun rays, she has created the Prakriti. of Devi Shri Mahakali is Bhuvaneshwari. She is the queen of all lokas, including earth. After the creation of Trimurtas, Jal, Thal and Prakriti, she has given power to Brahma to create. Brahma has created Devas, Asuras and Rishis etc. Many species were created with their own individuality. To differentiate these species, Goddess Bhuvaneshwari has created lokas as their residence to live, like Satyalok, Tapolok, Gnanlok, Maharlok, Swargalok, Bhuvarlok, Bhulok, Atallok, Vitallok, Sutallok, Talatallok, Mahatallok, Rasatallok and Patallok. These all lokas are presented in her. Just like the yoga chakras presented in our body, all lokas are embodied in her, which represents the whole universe is presented in her, which means her presence is everywhere. Namaste. The fifth form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Devi Bhairavi. To balance the universe, she has created Jivan Chakra, which means life cycle of every soul. That is Jan, Jivan and Mrityu, means birth, survival and death. One day, all devas approached goddess and worried about the continuously growing population day by day. Devas were unable to rule the world because of the scarcity of water, air and the Prakriti for them to live. Then Devi Shri Mahakali took form as Bhairavi and created a process, Swabhavik Mrityu, which means at the end of the age we get death. Goddess Bhairavi is the one who writes fate and age of everyone. She has designed that height and age of everyone will be different in different yugas. Like Satya Yuga, 100,000 years with 21 feet height. Treta Yuga, 10,000 years with 14 feet height. Dwapara Yuga, 1,000 years with 7 feet height. At the end of the Kali Yuga, the human's age will be 12 years and will be very short in height. Namaste. The sixth form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Mata Chinnamastaka, which means whose herd is served. Everyone knows a mother cannot see her children in hunger or in pain. If a mother is like that, when it comes to a mother of every mother, how can she see her yoginis in hunger for blood after a big battle held? So, she cut her head and fed all the yoginis with her blood. This shows how furious Ma Mahakali may seem, but she is a mother. And Devi Chinnamastaka is the sacrificing form of Devi Shri Mahakali. In this form, Devi Shri Mahakali suppresses the Kama Bhavana and also represents the karma, which states every action has a reaction. Namaste. The seventh form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Devi Dhumavati. Firstly, Dhumavati means the smoky woman. We usually don't see any goddess with no ornaments and no sindoor. And that too, she is the goddess of Mangalyam, yet she sacrificed everything. One day, she gulped everything, including planets, stars, galaxies, and even Lord Mahadev in her anger. When she realized the fact, she was devastated in guilt and turned herself into this form. In this form, Devi Dhumavati is little harsh at heart and less merciful. Namaste. The eighth form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Bhagalamukhi or Devi Stambhini Brahmastra Rupini. She has taken this form to end a demon Trikurasur as he created torrentos to destroy this universe. That is when Devi Shri Mahakali entered in the battlefield in the form of Devi Bhagalamukhi, and she hypnotized Trikurasur's brain with Mohan Vidya, and she cuts his tongue to stop his abusive words about Trimurtas. In this form, she gives another chance to their devotees to rectify their mistakes, and she has created Mohan Vidya, Nigud Gnan, Tantra Vidya, Ayush Vidya, Vanaspati Vidya and Mayavi Vidya. Namaste. The ninth form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Matangi. She is the goddess of divine knowledge and speech. She has created music and arts for the mankind to find peace from these worldly things, as arts also the way for salvation. Nigud Gnan is very hard to understand, so Devi Shri Mahakali took this form to give that wisdom, and she is the one who showered blessings on Markandeya to write Puranam on her Leelas known as Markandeya Puranam. Namaste. The last and 10th form of Devi Shri Mahakali is Kamala. As Shri is very important to lead human life, Devi Shri Mahakali took this form. She wanted to give Bauddhik Sampada, Dhana Dhanya and Adhyatmik Tej to the humans for the welfare of universe and mankind. These are Dasmaha Vidyas, the 10 divine forms of Devi Shri Mahakali. This is Srishti Rahasya. There is nothing more to know in this universe, as this is beyond everything. After the creation of whole universe, everything will be ruled under her control. At a point when adharma prevails, the attitude of devas, humans, nagas, all species filled with Arishad Vargas, and when they lose the fear of karma, she turns furious and gives 3 warnings through nature calamities. Even then, when no one rectifies their mistakes, Devi Shri Mahakali awakens her Dasmaha Vidya forms and they start destruction process through dance. Dasmaha Vidyas will be awoken only for the creation and the destruction of the universe. After the destruction of the whole universe, Devi Shri Mahakali gets back to her Yoga Nidra in Nirakar Roop, which means divine form Om. Again, after many Mahakalpas, Devi Shri Mahakali wakes up and she creates everything from the scratch. In the same whole process. This is the chakra. It happens like this every single time. I hope you all have sensed the divine forms of Devi Adiparashakti Shri Mahakali in this journey. We always should be grateful to her for giving us this life. Thank you.
Rupini Mahakali Rakshasman Devi Sarvada Yaya Shubho Nato Daityo Vishubhascha Mahasuraha Vairinashaya Vandeta